falls apart. There's a reason to working and a reason to start. Blasting up and on the highway, they say you walk away. There's 1,000 to leave, but just one need to stay. I just wanna be sycophant your company. Leave me out to dry on the line and rule me back in summertime. Caught up in the love fever, fistful of rage. I promised myself a lever to hit the page. Now it's running down the spine to the dust on the...
Hello guys, we are going to Petronas Tower. We are going to the top of that tower. That tower is one of the most tallest skyscrapers in Malaysia. It was one of the most it was the tallest skyscraper in the world until 2008. However, now it's Burj Khalifa in United Arab Emirates, you know that. Anyway, we are going to that building. We're going to show you it from the outside and from the inside as well. This building was built by fourth Prime Minister of Malaysia. His name was Muhammad Mahathir, and the architect was one guy from Argentina. I really forgot his name, sorry, my bad. The height of this skyscraper is 451.9 meters, and it has the tallest 2 stories bridge in the world. This is the tallest bridge in the world, which is 2-story. And this building has 5 basements and 88 floors. What else it has? And it's a very remarkable skyscraper. You should see it. You should come and see it, experience by yourself. So let's don't waste our time. Let's go in and show it from the outside and from the inside as well. Thank you very much, guys. See you in a bit.
Ассаламу алейкум, құрметті достар. Бүгін желтоқсанның 14-і. Алла қаласа ертең өзіміздің Сәлем Қазақстан атты жобамызды бастаймыз. Жобаның мақсаты өзіміздің алдында кездескен шетелдік азаматтарды қазақ тілінде сөйлету. Сіздер оны осы өзіміздің каналдан көре аласыздар. Көріп, өздеріңіздің пікірлеріңізді білдіріңіздер.
Yes guys, exactly. Finally, tomorrow we are starting our project, which is called Salem, Kazakhstan. We're going to be traveling 2 weeks in entire Malaysia. We're going to be in 14 destinations, and if we meet any foreigner or international, we'll make him to speak Kazakh language. He's going to be speaking Kazakh language just for you guys. Watch us, share us, comment us, subscribe to our channel. You can find us by hashtag Salem Kazakhstan. And I hope this is going to be an amazing trip just for you guys. Watch us, support us. Thank you very much, and
Salem Kazakhstan!